Yep, guys, as we all know that there was the Dundee July 2025, all the artists were gathered there. So, guys, Lwah, ndlunkulu and Mthandeni were spotted having a certain conversation, guys. During their conversation, Lwah saying it loud, she's asking for a beat from Mthandeni Sk, guys. As we all know that when these two join forces, guys, there is a hit coming, guys. So, guys, now here's Lwah saying it loud that she wants a beat. She's asking for the beat from Mthandeni. Yep, guys, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know what's your take on this one. You can leave a comment or opinion in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.